In today's video, we are going to have some fun while learning the alphabet. We'll go from A to Z and discover some amazing animals along the way. So if you're ready to learn the alphabet with animals like alpacas, bats and so much more, let's jump right. We have learnt about the alphabet in the previous video. Here, we will learn some animal names for each letters. So let's begin. A is for alpaca. B is for bats. C is for cat. D is for deer. E is for eel. F is for frog. G is for goose. H is for hermit crab. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. K is for koala. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for narwhal. O is for otter. P is for polar bear. Q is for quail. R is for rooster. S is for shark. T is for turtle. U is for urchin. V is for vulture. W is for warthog. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak.